Hi everyone, my name is Dollkinson and today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful, simple, smoky eyes. So I made it very simple this time. I just pick one palette. So like this you can see step by step what I'm doing and also what colors I'm using. So I choose this one from Catrice. It has beautiful shadows here, and I'm gonna show you how you can create like soft smoky eyes. So not too dramatic, something that can be also for the evening and also for the day. So before you apply those eyeshadows, I always advise you to use eye primer. So I use this one from Too Faced. The eye primer is very important just because it keeps the eyeshadows in the place and also never creates crease. I highly recommend this one. Please always do that. Don't skip this step, it's very important. And now we can start to play. So I decide to use first just on your eyes kind of like a base color. So you would start with this Self-Made right here and put all over your eye. Now you're gonna take a crease brush like this, or it can be also the blending brush, but what is important that the tip of the brush is kind of sharp. So this is the moment where you apply your eyeshadow just right here. Werk, right here. So just the tip of your brush. And you are going to apply exactly on the crease. So like right there. And what you're gonna do, you just blend, 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 and blend. And you can apply more. And you blend only in the crease area. You can also keep your eye open. So this way you really just do in your crease area, all the way from left to right, all the eye. Then you're gonna take a brush like this. So it's again blending brush, but you see how it's large at the end, like the V shape. So this is what you need, because this one is gonna help you to blend everything, but just softly. You're going to blend those eyeshadows out towards to the brows, but not too close to the brows, okay? So it's kind of like softly, like just brush it out. So very soft like that. Next we will go to Queen right here. So this time you are going to take a brush like this. So let's go to Queen, and you are going to apply only in the corner, like right here on the corner, and a little bit, not too much, so really only in the corner. And when you do those kind of smoky eyes, it's really about the blending. So you apply and you blend, you apply, you blend. So you take again blending brush. So this time this kind, or you can use the one that you use at the beginning, so kind of pointy, and you blend. By the way, everything that I'm using, including the brushes, I'm gonna put in the link below. Blending, blending. So you see, you're creating this nice shade right there. And if you want, you can also drag it towards up just a little bit, just slightly. Then we will go to Role Model right here, and you're gonna put it in the middle of your eye, just a little bit, very slightly. And again you blend it very softly, and you can drag it towards to the corner of your eye inside. Everything should be like smooth, like almost like fading away. Next we will go to Work right here. So I want you to take the ankle brush like this, and then I want you to go very, very close to your lashes, and we are going to apply it under the eye, but you try to go really, really close to your lashes, just because we are creating the soft smoky eyes, so we don't go dramatic or anything like that. So you're just gonna go here, but very, very close, okay? Just almost like you are touching the lashes. And then you take a brush like this, and you are going to a little bit make it less focus. Like that. Then we will go to CEO, so you can again wet it a little bit. Because I noticed when you have this kind of eyeshadows, like right here, you can see it's a little sparkle. I noticed that it's either good to apply with your fingers or with wet brush. So let's try with this brush first. So you're gonna put it just in the middle of your eye, just like a dot, just a little bit, very slightly. Then you take blending brush and again you fade a little bit. Then let's go to Slay right here. You are going to place it here and going towards to your brow, but very little, very gentle. So it gives you this little sparkle, but just very gentle, like you see here, like that. So you see what it does? It does a little shimmer. And you can add a little bit more here. Something like that. Then I want you to go back to CEO right here. I advise you to take something small like this. You see how small and tiny? So this one is from e.l.f. And let's go to CEO. And then I want you to go inside the corner of your eye. Just in the corner. Like that, and up. So we are creating kind of like the hawk eyes, you know, like the bird eyes. It makes very nice attention on the eyes. Let's go to equal play. So you are going to place it right here on the corner. So you are creating a little wing, but just very little. So the fact that it's like this, like it's angled, so put the angle brush like this. You see, you make like this dot, and then you just extend it. And also on the bottom, just a little bit, very slightly, like that. And then to make it less pointy, you just blend it a little bit. So you just take away the edges, the pointy edges. So you just smooth it out a little bit. So it's less dramatic. So that's it. It's very soft and smooth. It's kind of like simple smoky eye, kind of like a sexy eye, not too much. You see, it's not too much. It's just a little bit of something. Now you just have to seal it with mascara. Also, what you're gonna do now, you just find like nice blush for you. So I think with this look, it's nice to go with some kind of like a bronzy blush. Catrice has again a good one right here. If you get this one, has 4-1, that it's good for all the year. So for this one particular, I would go with this one, with the bronzer one. They call it a Cairo. I think that can be nice and simple. And then you can just pick a nice lipstick. I choose Joel Smith. So I think this color is nice because it's kind of like a nude shimmery. So if you want, you can also use like a nice shiny lipstick or lip gloss, or you can just pick like a simple nude lipstick, as you wish. As you can see, this is a very simple look. It cannot be more simple and easier than this. I pick only one palette from Catrice, and I think they have beautiful shades right here. You can do so much with this. You can do the day look, evening look, whatever. Also, it's very good for dark skin, light skin, any kind of hair color you have. I highly recommend. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite palette, or if there's any palette that you would like me to review. I will be more than happy to do so. Don't forget to subscribe, give me some thumbs up if you like this video, and also hit the notification bell so like this you know when I have a new video out. And I'll see you very soon in a few days. Take care.